Hi everyone, I'm Carrie and welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. One of the fastest growing trends in family law is gray divorce. Divorces that happen later in life, usually after decades of marriage. These cases are often childless because children are already grown, but that does not make them simple. Let's explore the unique challenges of gray divorces in Texas. After long marriages, couples often have substantial assets: homes, retirement accounts, pensions, investments, and sometimes businesses. Dividing these can be extremely complex. Retirement accounts, for example, require a qualified domestic relations order called a quadro to split property, and mistakes can be costly. Health insurance and medical expenses also become major concerns. If one spouse relied on the other's health coverage, divorce could mean losing access. This creates pressure for spousal maintenance or creative solutions to ensure both spouses can meet their needs as they age. Emotional stakes are high in gray divorces. One spouse may feel blindsided, while the other may have been planning the divorce for years. Disputes often center on financial fairness, especially if one spouse spent years as a homemaker or sacrificed career opportunities for the marriage. Unlike divorces with children, there are no custody battles, but adult children may still be emotionally impacted. They might worry about inheritances, property division, or seeing parents fight over assets they thought would one day be theirs. These cases often require sensitive handling. Property division in gray divorces also impacts estate planning. Wills, trusts, and beneficiary designations must all be updated. If not, an ex-spouse could unintentionally remain listed on retirement accounts or life insurance policies. Overlooking these changes can create legal and family conflicts down the road. Another challenge is retirement readiness. Many couples plan to share retirement income. Divorce often means both spouses must adjust to reduced resources. Spousal support or lump sum property awards may be used to balance the scales, but both parties will feel the impact. Real estate disputes are also common. Deciding who keeps the marital home or whether it should be sold can be especially difficult later in life. Emotional attachment to the home may clash with financial realities, and the court will need to find a practical solution. If you're facing a gray divorce, don't underestimate the challenges. The law office of Bryan Fagan has the experience to handle complex property division and long-term spousal support issues. Call us today or schedule your free consultation online. Let's make sure your future is secure as you start this new chapter, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.